today we are at the Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. This is the second year in a row that I've attended this. So far the crowds look pretty low. All right, here's our bags. Thank you. There's normally someone there like heckling the crowd, but we got here late. We forgot something at the hotel and had to drive all the way back and then all the way back here in rush hour traffic. So we're here like over an hour later than we were planning, but it's all good. As soon as we got here, a show started, so we're gonna watch this. It's the Hocus Pocus one.
Isn't it obvious? We are back in the living world. The living world? Yes. Don't you understand? We have harnessed the magic found within this kingdom to come back for but one night. One night's all I need. And we shall make it a grand night full of spellbinding tricks and treats. A night that will not be ring-a-night.
I can read your future. I can change it around some too. I look deep into cards. The cards. Just take 3.
We'll take these.
Take a little trip into your future with me.
Time to make them the way. So give me that. Now we need to hold a calm circle. I am calm. Thou art not being honest with thyself. Take my hand. Come on, let's go. Breathe. Now enough. There is no time. The ingredient. Read me the ingredient. Fine. Nefarious nightmares, there we go. As terrifying as the shadows on the moon at night, filling dreams to the brim with fright. Come in.
Well. What have we here?
Why, I might ask the same thing of you. Well, what are you?
What? I'm just little old Oogie Boogie, so. You know, the shadow on the moon at night, filling your dreams to the brim with fright.
Party to which I wasn't invited.
Maleficent! Oh, great one! If we thought you would have come, we would have invited you for sure. We are not worthy! Oh, Maleficent! You know she is greener than I thought, and those horns. Silence!
I'll consider it but an oversight then.
Perhaps you can help us with our Hocus Pocus party potion so that we may throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen?
Perhaps.
We were wondering, Your Excellency, if you would help us with the last ingredient.
And that would be?
Frightful friends! Frightful friends!
Lore and legend are full of villainous fiends. I suppose for such an occasion I could conjure a few.
I knew we would see eye to eye.
Listen well, all of you. If it is frightful friends that you request, each incantation calls forth a guest. Come now, Queen, by power and right, bring poison apples that give us a fright. Underworld's ungodly domain, we call forth its ruler of death and disdain.
Face high!
Come and inspire with devious plots, a desire for furs all covered in spots. Impress us, O pirate from a faraway land. Strike fear in our hearts with a hook or a hand. We invite and compel here a slithering snake with a sorcerer's power to give but not take. Enter, good lady, by thee we are graced, though manners
is all. I'm not so scary. I smell a song. You can't stop the things I do. I lie. Oh, it's been 300 years, right down to the day. Now the witch is back, and there's heck to pay. I put a spell on you, and now
with a glowing pumpkin to light the way. He's lurking to find his perfect prey. He's the bringer of Halloween fear. Beware, the headless horseman is here.
Ghostly greetings! Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends have come together at this spookiest time of year to say boo to you as they proudly present the not-so-scary Mickey's Boo to You Halloween Parade!
Is over, we are gonna hit some rides, starting with the Haunted Mansion. Here's Here's the bus.
I always say it's educational for the children because this is not stuff they teach in pre-K anymore. No, ghost culture, ghost history. Oh, the doors have opened. All right. What was your name, new person? Mary? I'm Mary. Everybody feel free to hold Mary's hand.
Haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
All in the spirits, wherever they're at. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourines. Creepy, rose, touch.
I've never seen that one. I'm in line to get my picture taken in front of the Haunted Mansion with the little magic shot. They got the fog going here in the animal cemetery. They have the Pirates of the Caribbean ride all lit up.
Oh, you scurvy skunk! Do I hear dead? Ahead of us! Keep still! Why you studying me map? There's a career that would be more rewarding.
We just got out of Pirates. It was a walk-on. I just picked up a Pirates of the Caribbean spirit jersey and we walked out to the fireworks. Winnie the Pooh is 10 minutes, so we're hitting that one up next. Normally this interactive queue here would be completely packed. This is a pretty popular ride.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that dream.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo. Look, Mama, look. I'm afraid.
Oh, yes, yes. Attention, Winnie the Pooh. Please remain seated. This ride.
We were on Winnie the Pooh and it broke down and we had to get evacuated in the middle of the ride. They had to let us out. We had to get on a step stool, get down, and then the whole group had to walk through the ride to get out. We hit up a couple of candy stops. We did some photo pass picture ops with the magic shots. They turned out hilarious. We did Peter Pan and now we are gonna do It's a Small World. It's a walk-in, 5 minutes. This is so much a walk-on that there's literally nobody even on the ride. Here's the other view. Empty boats. gonna be it for tonight. This was the final day of our fall break. We are gonna drive back home tomorrow. Please consider giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.